Small, cute, and full of personality. Hamsters are one of the most popular small pets for a reason. But what makes these little furballs so special? In today's video, we'll dive into all the reasons why hamsters make great pets and how they can bring joy into your home. One of the best things about hamsters is that they're relatively low-maintenance pets. Unlike dogs or cats, they don't need constant attention or daily walks. With a clean cage, fresh food, water, and a little bit of love, they're happy and healthy. Hamsters are also easy to clean up after. A weekly cage cleaning and daily feeding routine is all it takes to keep them comfortable. Plus, they're small, so they don't require much space, making them ideal for apartments or homes with limited room. Another reason hamsters make such great pets is that they're perfect for children and first-time pet owners. Taking care of a hamster helps teach responsibility, patience, and kindness, all valuable lessons for young pet lovers. They're also a great option for families who may not have the time or space for a larger pet, but still want to experience the joy of having a furry friend. Despite their small size, hamsters are bursting with personality. Each hamster has its own unique quirks and behaviors. Some love running on their wheel all night long, while others prefer burrowing deep into their bedding to create cozy little nests. Despite their small size, hamsters are bursting with personality. Each hamster has its own unique quirks and behaviors. Some love running on their wheel all night long, while others prefer burrowing deep into their bedding to create cozy little nests. One of the benefits of owning a hamster is that they're affordable pets. Hamsters themselves are inexpensive, and their food, bedding, and toys are budget-friendly as well. You can easily find all the supplies you need at your local pet store or online. Unlike some pets that require a companion, most hamster species, like the Syrian hamster, prefer to live solo. This makes them great pets for people who may not have the time for multiple animals, but still want a furry friend to care for. If you're looking for a quiet pet, hamsters are a great choice. Since they're nocturnal, they tend to be active in the evening and night, making them perfect for night owls who want a companion to hang out with during the quieter hours. And even though they are active at night, they don't make much noise, just the soft sound of a wheel spinning or bedding being rearranged. You won't have to worry about barking or meowing in the middle of the night. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and videos on your favorite pets. See you next time!